everyone, and welcome to Mari's Corner. I'm excited today. Please keep in mind, I have not come to be a professional. I am self-taught, and I am so excited, all of you, because I actually finally got the Morphe James Charles palette. It came like this. And of course, I got this from Ulta, and it's very well wrapped, as you can see in the bubble, and it looks like this. I'm holding it upside down here, and then these are the wonderful colors that I'm going to play with today. So I want to ask y'all, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that little button in the bottom, subscribe, ring the bell. Please like, share, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get started. I don't know what I'm gonna do, so let's see what I come up with. So I've been hearing mixed reviews of the palette, but keep in mind, this is an artistic palette, okay? Play with it how you want. I mean, there's no right or wrong. It's basically really up to you how you're gonna start. I've heard several saying they start from dark to bottom, and look, it has the names of the shades, but I'm not going to focus on that today. I am going to start off, I like to start off with white. It just helps with the hyperpigmentation that I have had with my eyes. So I'm going to start off with the white. I'm just putting my glasses, I'm putting them to the side, and let's get started. Let me open it up. I have all my utensils here ready and up to par. And before further ado, this is amazing. I got this from a BoxyCharm, and it is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Point, and it comes beautifully packaged like this. And I've been using it on my lips. I've been using a mask, and then it looks like this. The shade is like this. And I love it, I love it. I prepped and primed my face. I did everything already. Not prepped and primed, already, put the foundation and the layers to have this gorgeous look. So with much further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this brush, and it's from BH Cosmetics. No, it's too big. Let's go with the Wet n Well, here we go. I think I'm gonna start with this one. All the ones I got seem too big. Let me take a look and see if I have some other ones that are not. So I love this one, so I'm gonna probably grab that one. And let me see. It seems like I got all the BH Cosmetics ones, but these, go ahead, and thanks to my friend Giggle Giggles, I have these wonderful. I'm going to go ahead and start off with this shade right here. The white one right there. I'm gonna get all of this really good in the eyes. So let me go ahead and get all my mirrors ready. Let's take the glasses off. And let's get started. I'm actually so excited to try this. Now the next color, I'm going to go in, we're going to try color today. I am going to try color today. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to go in with this one right there. I'm going to distribute it and pretty when we continue with the look. That is beautiful. The next color I'm going to dip into is my goodness, they have purple. Oh, let's try a purple. I am actually going to do this yellow right here. Let me show you. This one right here. So let's go ahead and go into that yellow. Good amount, and oh gosh, it's just gorgeous. We'll clean that up right now, but and it's a little hollow. If you can see it, it was falling out. So make sure to tap on the combination looks stunning. So I can see where they're saying to start from darkest to lightest. I'm going to go in now. I'm going to start playing with more color. I'm gonna grab this color right here, this one, and that one. So I'm going to start off with purple. Mix it up. I'm gonna go back with the original brush, and I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous hot pink right there. You know, it's really weird. When I was growing up, I was a big time tomboy. Like, I was not into, how do you call it, pinks? And somewhere along the line, it just changed on me. I don't know how. Look at that. Beautiful. A little bit clean up there, but we'll worry about that when we get there. And then right here. And I'm going to grab this brown right here. I mean, what you can create is just amazing with this. So I'm gonna do that for something else, and that's what. Now for the bottom, and I like to go in with my finger. It's just better for me, and I am going to pick I'm gonna be very different here, and I'm gonna do a green, and the green that I'm gonna be trying out is this one right here. Okay, and I first did this light green right here, and I went out with this one. So now what we need to do is I'm going to get this brush right here, and I'm just gonna blend a little bit more so it doesn't look like streaks and lines or anything, just it can look smoothly. And then we'll do the under the eye. So I am going to start out with this one right here and end up with that one right there. So let's go ahead and get started. I need a little thinner brush for that. So this is the final look. Like I said, I'm a beginner, I'm learning. There's lots of colors that you can do. This is what I came up with.